Hello, today I'm going to be reviewing for you the Finishing Touches Flawless Hair Remover. So as you can see, nice and small. It actually looks like it's a little lipstick case, which is really nice because it's easy to take. With this, it does take one AA battery in there, nice and easy removal of this here. What this is like I said, it's a hair removal device. So for me personally, I'll use it on my chin, my lip, those sorts of things in between waxes if I don't want to go get that taken care of. You just pop this top right off, and as you can see, it's got a little end there. So that just has kind of like little micro blades in it that are cutting it off. One nice convenient feature with this is you can actually clean it. You just twist it off and then you clean everything out of there. It catches all the hair for you, so you're not having to worry about anything dropping onto the floor, which is really nice. But like I said, it's just a small little hair removal device. You actually switch it on here. Nice small little light there, nice small sound, and you just take it and you rub it in circles around wherever you're trying to remove that hair. So again, this is the Finishing Touches Flawless Hair Remover. Thank you for watching.